Well guys, welcome back to Minecraft here. This is a video on how to use the screwdriver tool in Build a Boat. Let's just say this is the use of the screwdriver tool. Let's just say you have these harpoons and you have these harpoons. And then you put a lever, but you don't want the lever to access these harpoons. So I want this chair to. So what you want to do is get your 5000 gold out, select this and then select this, or you can do this and then that, and then it will stop that when you select this. And you can choose, if you put a C and then select it to something, you can choose what button will activate it. So let's just say that. But if you do something that's already connected, or what, and then that's how to use the 5000 gold tool. Bye.